I'm Roxette Barba, your go-to sales lady for all appliances you need. With a passion for making your home life easier and efficient. So, if you are a student like me, or a teacher, content creator, influencer, I will recommend this lamp for you. This lamp is perfect for you. I'll recommend this lamp for those students like me, especially if you have a dorm. Because this lamp is very handy and you can take this with you whenever you want to go, and it's not bulky. You can put this in your usual bag because look. See? Moreover, this lamp has a long battery life and it comes with charging cable. All you have to do is charge this and wait until it's fully charged and you're good to go. This lamp is very helpful, especially for those students. Sometimes the lights in our room are not enough. That's why we are struggling when we're doing our projects or assignments. In addition, this lamp is foldable and affordable. Look, you can fold this. See? You can fold this way. This is good also for those students because this is budget friendly. You can afford this, students. This is perfect for those people who love to make videos or content. This is very helpful. It will make our life easier and efficient. So, if I were you, I would buy this lamp. Look. Take note. This lamp has 3 options when it comes to light. This is the option 1, option 2, and last the option 3. See? So what are you waiting for? Come to our store and buy this affordable and foldable lamp. Thank you. Bye-bye.